Hey guys, it's the Bitcoin Queen here with your metagame update. Today we're going over the Great Flood. This meme has been long awaited on the list. The Great Flood of 2021. Originally when it was written, we thought there would be a lack of liquidity for a long time after publishing it. Selling 1 ETH of seeds still moves the price by almost 1%. But $350,000 in liquidity in a $1 million market cap token is no laughing matter. So what is the Great Flood? The Great Flood is when a ridiculous amount of ether is pouring down onto the seed plantation. When does this happen? When MetaOS is ready to onboard thousands of creators into the Ethereum ecosystem in order to build through the next crypto winter. When most of the seeds have been planting and we're waiting for trees to grow. When the price of ether peaks and Ethereans are eager to see the next wave of innovation by closing the feedback loop. We predict this great flood to take place around the first week of winter. This will be a time when the 300 of the metagame list is finalized and phase 2 begins. Spring is the planting season. However, do not consider planting your seeds ahead of others. Wait, who are the 300 of metagame? 150 players and 150 Patreons, essentially the founders of metagame. The ones who will build on the metagame 1.0 and summon the Great Flood. Now, let's explore some of the possible use cases for seeds. What are seeds for has been a often asked question. My usual answer, seeds are how people who are building the metagame exchange value with people who want to support the metagame financially. Given we aren't lacking funds, coming up with seed sinks wasn't our main concern. We really wanted to get our basic infrastructure up before monetizing anything. Well, that basic infrastructure has been laid out and the community has something like, I don't know, $1.2 million worth of funds just laying around. Also, we're building an entire gamified socio-economic ecosystem, so finding the use for money shouldn't be an issue. So let's look at some of the currently possible and potential ways you can use seeds. They're split up into 3 categories: spend seeds, stake seeds, plant seeds. Spending seeds, things you can spend on now. To get a shout out in the podcast, to have a metagame tweet for you, to get a shout out in the newsletter, to install an app in the metagame, to buy some limited edition merchandise, to get products and services from other players and guilds, to get access to the token engineering course, to get some user testing sessions, to give away to good causes. If you're interested in giving away your seeds for any of these, just ask about it in the future. For the subscription fee, for fees if buying and selling things with other tokens, for posting quests and raids in self-interest, for access to courses, to pay for likes/upvotes, to have your message displayed on the ticker, to buy themes, add-ons, in-game skins, and other cosmetics, to boost your own discovery position, to pay for other MetaFam services like advising, building, or shilling, to claim skin in the game. Here are some of the things that people may be required to do if staking seeds. As you already may know, in metagame, we don't believe in raiding humans. We are building a future that we want to live in, and a future where raiding humans on a 1 to 5 star system is definitely not one that we want to participate in. Instead, players of the metagame will be required to stake some of their skins in the game, to take quests for your friend when onboarding them, for your guild to enter, as collateral for your personal token, to enter a contract with someone, when claiming the metafam.eth subdomain, when claiming the @metagame.wtf email, on your project or product reviews, on the content curation. Writing reviews and recommendations will require staking, on the future of metagame. If you're confused as to what planting seeds means, it means that you are using your seeds by putting them in the balancer pool, aka the seed plantation. To be eligible for MetaFam only limited edition merch, to be eligible for random drops and the phase 2 token, to stay in the game as a Patreon, to appear on the Patreon's leaderboard, for guilds to appear higher on the leaderboard, to appear higher on the Patreon leaderboard. Get ranked. As you may know already, the top 56 of each, players and Patreons, will be ranked in their own leagues. And, well, with leagues comes perks. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond founders. We have a bunch of ideas on what these ranked league perks can be, from access to special channels and private AMAs, to interviews, special NFTs, and the utmost respect. But before we publish a list, we'd like to hear from all of you. What do you think the ranked league's perks should be? Do you want to participate in the metaverse? We have a couple open roles. Check out the open roles in our Discord or click the links below for more information. We also have a few quests that you can take part of, as well as weekly ongoing events. Check out the information in the description below and add it to your calendar. And onward to the metaverse. See you next time.